Before 30, life moves fast. You make big mistakes, big decisions, and big changes all at the same time. Today, here are 10 life lessons most people learn too late, so you can learn them now and avoid the pain. Lesson 1. Your time is worth more than your money. You can always make more money, but you will never get back a single wasted year. Guard your time like your most valuable investment. Lesson 2. No one is coming to save you. No perfect job, partner, or opportunity will magically fix your life. The moment you accept full responsibility is the moment your life starts to change. Lesson 3. Discipline beats motivation. Motivation is a feeling. It comes and goes. Discipline is a decision. It shows up even when you do not feel like it. Build systems, not moods. Lesson 4. Your environment is stronger than your willpower. If you spend your 20s surrounded by people who complain, you will complain. Choose friends whose lifestyle looks like your future, not your past. Lesson 5. No is a complete sentence. Every time you say yes to things that do not matter, you say no to your goals, your health, and your peace. Protect your energy. Lesson 6. Your body remembers everything. Poor sleep, no exercise, and constant stress feel normal in your 20s, but the bill arrives in your 30s and beyond. Take care of your body now, or pay for it later. Lesson 7. Comparison quietly destroys happiness. There will always be someone richer, prettier, or more successful. The only useful comparison is who you were yesterday versus who you are today. Lesson 8. Failing does not make you a failure. Every mistake is feedback, not a final judgment. The people you admire are not the ones who never failed. They are the ones who never stop learning. Lesson 9. Real skills quietly compound over time. While others chase shortcuts and trends, focus on learning valuable skills: communication, focus, problem solving, money management. Skills pay you for decades. Lesson 10. You will never feel fully ready. The job, the business, the move, the dream. Clarity comes from action, not overthinking. Start small, start scared, but start. Lesson 11. Happiness is not a place you arrive at. It is something you build every day. It comes from simple habits, gratitude, meaningful work, real connections, not from the next milestone, purchase, or achievement. Lesson 12. Money is a powerful tool, but a terrible identity. Learn how to earn it, save it, and grow it early, but never let your bank balance decide your self-worth. Lesson 13. Perfection often becomes procrastination in disguise. Good and done will change your life more than perfect and never finished. Start, improve, repeat. Your 20s do not have to be perfect. They just have to be honest and intentional. If even one of these lessons hit you, do not just nod. Choose one, apply it today, and your 30-year-old self will thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe for more.